As dogs age, they often face arthritis, a condition that involves inflammation of the joints and can significantly impact their mobility. Dogs with arthritis may limp, become reluctant to move, or show stiffness, particularly in the morning or after rest. Although arthritis can't be prevented entirely, maintaining a healthy weight and providing regular, low-impact exercise can help reduce stress on the joints. Dietary supplements like glucosamine and chondroitin may also aid in supporting joint health, alleviating some symptoms and improving quality of life.